Hi folks, Colin here, welcome back to the channel, good to see you. I've been away for a while, but I'm back because it's getting warm enough to make videos in this room now, so that's good news. I'm going to talk a little bit about Words of Love today by Buddy Holly. It's quite an easy little song and it sounds quite nice, and it kind of shows you some ideas about the cage system, which is always good. So it's in the key of A, and the first, I'll put the tab down below, you can download it from the description, PDF, but basically what's happening, we're going to use the A shape, D shape and the E shape, and we're going to move them up the fretboard and make different kind of voicings of the chords. So we're going to play an A chord, but we're going to start it on the first fret and slide up like that, and then just play 3 hits of the A after that. So, and then do the same with the D. So it's start on the G string, and then just play a little arpeggio. So what we've got is like that. So it's A and D. Then we're going to move to the E chord, and we're just going to play the top string, and then come down 2 on the B, open B, and then 1 on the G. So it's a nice little riff. A, D, A, play that 3 times. So for the next bit, we come up to the top 2 strings on the 5th fret, and then we'll play 5 on the top 2 strings, then we'll play 5 on the B, open E, like that, 2 on the B, and then back to the D chord riff, and then the E chord riff. So play 2 on the B, then play the D chord, E. So the whole thing. It's quite easy, but it sounds nice, and if you're playing it in the context of a band, it sounds great. Buddy Holly, he actually played that lead part himself, and he double tracked it on the original recording, and that's made it sound even more sort of interesting. So then the sort of solo. So we're going to go up to the, take that D shape, and then we're going to move it up to the 9th fret. So we're going to play like the top part of a D shape, so 9 on the high E, 10 on the B, and we're going to slide that second finger down to 5 on the B, and play the 5 on the B and the open E, then play the 2 on the B, open E, and back to 5, like that. Then we're going to play the D, so we're going to play like a D, which is like the cage system, so you're playing the D shape, then the A shape, then the D shape, and the A shape as you're going from a D to an E chord. So we're going 2 on the high E, 3 on the B, then 5 and 7 on the high E and B, then it's 4 and 5, then 7, 9. So again, then back to start. And then the final bit. So that's just your A shape, A chord with a D shape, sorry. 5, 2, and back to D. E. So it's quite nice. It's not too difficult. It should be within reach of most people watching this video. That's the tricky bit, going from that D to the 5 and the 7, because you kind of have to switch fingers and try and slide it. Then just back to the verse, and just on and on. Okay folks, I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you're keeping well, and I'll see you soon. I'll be back with more videos. Once again, if you want the tab, just download it from the description below, and I'll see you next week for more rocking.